Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Figma. Figma is a powerful base web design tool that helps you create anything: websites, applications, logos, and much more. So we are here in Figma's main dashboard. So let's tour around this, and later on we'll try to create our UI design. On the left side of your screen, we can see here our recents and drafts. You can also have a quick access to your favorite files in here. Here is the list of your theme. In this portion right here is the new design file where you design a user interface in your prototypes. New FigJump file is where you can have your whiteboards, and you can also import files here. And in here is the different FigJump templates you can use. Let's try to make a simple user interface here. Click on Design a File. First thing to do is to choose our frame. Let's say we will make a login page for an app. Let's click on this option right here, and all the prototype frames for mobile phones will appear. Let's choose this one. So let's put 2 rectangles for the email and password. Let's add some text in here. And now let's put a rectangle for a login button. Let's put another frame. Let's say we already logged in the app, and put a text welcome to Figma. You can edit your text in this portion. To connect the two pages, let's drag this arrow going to this page like this. Let's try to run our UI login page design by clicking in here. Let's pretend we already put our email and address, and let's click on Login. And that's it! It's working! Let's try again. And that's it! Thanks for watching! For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!